Hello everyone! Welcome to our latest video in the Bold BI Linux deployment series. In this video, I will walk you through the process of deploying Bold BI on CentOS Linux with an Apache server and configuring SSL for a secure connection. In the last video, we saw how to set up the CentOS Linux environment with an Apache server for Bold BI deployment. Please watch that video first if you haven't yet. The link is in this video's description. First, you need to log into your Bold BI account. If you don't have an account, you can start a 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free button on the website. I log in and am directed to my dashboard. I select Downloads in the Downloads section and Expand Linux. I copy the setup link from this page. To download the setup file, I run this command. Once the download is complete, I extract the Bold BI package by using this command. I change the current directory to the extracted folder by using this command. Now let's install the dashboard server by running this command. Here I am deploying the dashboard server using an IP address. Next, it will ask for confirmation to install Bold Data Hub on the server. I enter yes and the deployment continues. When asked for confirmation, I enter Y to proceed with the installation. You'll see the message Bold BI installation completed when it's done. Now, Bold BI is successfully deployed. I open the browser and search for the IP address to start the dashboard server. Here you can see the dashboard server is hosted in an unsecure environment. To set up the dashboard server with a domain, I need to configure SSL for a secure connection. So first, I install the mod SSL module to enable SSL TLS support for Apache on CentOS. When asked for confirmation, I enter Y to proceed with the installation. Before configuring it, make sure you have a registered domain and map the public IP with it. Then change the directory to the /etc/httpd/sitesavailable folder. And open the Bold BI Apache config file in the Nano editor. I uncomment these lines in the file. I can then add the domain name that I have mapped to the public IP address. Since I have mapped my public IP to linuxdemo.boldbi.com, I add it here. I also specify the SSL certificate and SSL certificate key path in the required lines. And save the changes by pressing Ctrl+X, Y, and then Enter. I test the syntax of the configuration file by using this command. If everything is correct, we should see a message that says syntax OK. Then I reload the configuration file by using this command. Now, in the browser, I open the dashboard server with the domain name. You can see the dashboard server loads with the domain name in secure mode. With that, we have successfully installed and deployed the Bold BI application in CentOS Linux using an Apache server. To learn about installing optional libraries and starting up the application, watch our previous video, linked in this video's description. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.